What is normal? Just look here. If I have wait. Who is this? Leo Binu 6G. Who is this?
Pious.
But no, I will not admit. Gone. As it is. What is this? This is suppose my point P, Aditya, and this is my point Q. Very simple, nothing to understand more than that. This is my point Q, this is my A, this is my B. So I can say that PQ is normal to AB, and the same way AB is normal to PQ also. Okay, both the ways, not an issue. Am I right? Understood? Chalo, let's move ahead. Somebody can tell this person to change his name and come in.
Yes, ma'am. I'll tell him.
Please tell him, because he shouldn't miss the class. Now, moving ahead, we had started this chapter yesterday. I don't know how many were there and how many were not there. We just finished with our exercise 10.1, which was a very simple one. We only had to do question number 4 again and again. People are coming into the waiting room. Who is this now? Nandita. Chalo, Nandita, I'll admit. Binu, you just tell him to rename, okay? Now, number of tangents from a point on a circle. In the case 1, can you see the case 1 here? Aniket,
Yes,
Aniket, again you have hidden.
Ma'am.
I'll give you one punch. Aniket, how many tangents do you see in case 1? Aniket, look here.
Yes, ma'am.
How many tangents do you see here?
3.
Acha, in case 1 there are 3 tangents.
Zero.
Ma'am, 0 tangents.
0 tangents, there are no tangents at all. What are you talking? What happened, Aniket? Anyhow, Samarth, second case, how many tangents are there?
Ma'am, 1.
Charvi, third case, how many tangents are there?
2.
2. Perfect. So what do we see? There's fine. There is no tangent to a circle passing through a point. So if the point is lying inside the circle, we cannot have any tangent to it. But there is one and only one tangent to a circle passing through a point lying on the circle. Okay, so only one tangent can pass through a what happened? This is it. Next, there are exactly 2 tangents to a circle through a point lying outside the circle. So from one single point, if you try to draw tangents, so how many tangents are possible? Exactly 2 and not more than 2 from that point to that circle. Understood? But if you take another point away from that, if you take another point, then again another pair of tangents are possible. Another pair of tangents are possible. But through one set of one point, only 2 tangents are. And somebody has told this Pius to rename.
Yes, ma'am. I told him. He said he's doing it.
Shall take it. Let's wait. Fine. Now this theorem is there for you all. This theorem is there in your syllabus. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Normally this comes for 2 marks. So how do we do that? What is to be done? So basically we need to prove that PQ is equal to PR. So what do we do, Gautam?
Ma'am, congruent.
Perfect. Yes, we prove simple congruency for these 2 triangles. In these 2 triangles, we know that the radius are the same. So here these 2 are the same. What else we know?
RHS. I'm the common line.
Radius and the tangents are perpendicular to one another. So they are 90 degrees. And even this is common length between them. Again, 2 people are waiting. Shush, so many people are dropping off. Okay. So what congruency we have? RHS. This proof is there in your syllabus. Okay. Children, as it is, very important proofs have been removed from your syllabus. So please concentrate on the few proofs that are left to you. Surely something will come out of that. Okay. Now let's move ahead to the examples. How do we do this? Oh, Prerna.
Ma'am, like if the proof is removed, remove the things related to the proof are removed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to understand what you said.
Ma'am, like suppose if the proof is removed, then the questions based on that proof are also removed, right? Based on the theorem.
No. Questions
Only
with
the proof is removed.
only the
Only
proving
proof.
part is removed. Only the proving part is removed. Questions are there. Questions 100% are there. Understood?
Okay.
Ma'am, so basically the question we saw before this kind of the proving question, congruent one.
That is there. Do this. Prove that into close all of you close your textbooks fast because these are examples. Let us do them. Prove that in two concentric circles, the chords of the larger circle, which touches the smaller circle, is bisected at the point of contact. Do it. Draw the diagram properly first. I can show you the diagram which is there in your textbook. This is the diagram.
Can I tell?
Samat, I can't hear you.
Can I tell the answer?
You will say. Hey, the Agnes, this Leo is not renaming. Maury is also there. Now.
Should I tell him again?
Wait, I'll admit him, then I'll speak. Okay. Yes, Samat will speak, but wait a minute. Others try for 2 minutes. Pius, have you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Pius, I was not allowing you there because your name was, I think, your brother's name is there. Okay.
Ma'am, we were
Huh.
switching laptops because of some problem and then
No issues, no problem.
taking a lot of.
Rename yourself. Not a problem. That's why Agnes had messaged you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you should have done it. Otherwise, I would not have let you in. I'll be there. Fine. So two concentric circles means two circles having different radii or radius, but having a common center. Center is the same for both. The chord of the larger circle. So as you can see in the diagram, AB is the chord for the larger circle, which touches the smaller one. So as the word comes touches, children, you should understand that we are talking about tangent. Okay. So this AB chord for the bigger circle is touching the smaller circle at point P. That means AB is the tangent to the smaller circle at point P. Fine with that? So we have to prove that this is bisected at the point of contact. That means we finally have to prove that AP is equal to PB. Done with that? Yes.
Ma'am, there was a theorem that
Samat?
a perpendicular,
Yes. Last year you did
a perpendicular from the center bisects the chord.
Perfect. Perfect.
Aniket is in the waiting room.
I have done. I pulled him in. Okay. So I think that is the only reason that you will give. But apart from that, can you prove it directly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can use congruence.
Congruency. The what I have to do is I have to join AO and OB.
Ma'am, join OA and OB.
OA and OB
Yes,
and
ma'am.
BA. Perfect. So what triangles, what congruency we get amongst those?
RHS.
RHS. RHS again. Okay. So if you just write one liner there for this 2 mark sum, that perpendicular drop from the center bisects the chord, you will not get marks. Even though it is a theorem. Even though it's a theorem which you have done last year, but you will not get marks. What you have to do is you have to join AO and OB and do it. Vanshika, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So that's it. So this is what basically you had to do. Join from here to here and do. Everybody has done it. Are you all doing it along with me? So basically you are joining this to this and this to this. That's it. And proving congruency of these two. Have you done, Vaibhavi? Shown that the triangles have RHS congruency?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Proceeding. Do this. Two tangents, TP and TQ, are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. As soon as you hear this word, that they are two tangents from an external point, Jaypreet, what happens there and then?
I didn't understand.
What were you doing?
I was writing the previous question.
I'm saying in example number 2, it says two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle. As soon as you listen, I hear this statement. What should click in your mind?
Their tangents.
They are tangents to given.
They're
by-
equal. They're equal.
Ah,
they're
they are equal. That's it. So these two are equal. Already we will understand. Fine. Prove that. Angle PTQ. Where is PTQ? PTQ. This angle is equal to twice of angle OPQ. This angle. So if I mark this as X and I mark this as Y, so basically what is to be proved? We have to prove that X is nothing but equal to 2Y. Come on, speak out if anybody understood. Shubhangi done?
No, ma'am, I didn't understand.
What you didn't understand?
Ma'am, triangle TPQ is isosceles.
One minute, please, 1 minute. Shubhangi, what you didn't understand here? The question or how to do
Yes,
it?
ma'am. The question.
The question, what is it? Two tangents. TP and TQ are two tangents, okay? Drawn to a circle from an external point. Just in the previous theorem which we proved, we saw that if two tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle, then those two tangents are equal. So we can say that these two are equal. Question asked is, prove that. Again, Aniket is there. It's disturbing me. They are asking us to prove that angle TPQ, this angle, PTQ, this angle X, I have marked it as X, is nothing but equal to twice of angle OPQ. So X is equal to 2Y is what we have to prove. So as somebody said just now, ma'am, this becomes an isosceles triangle, right? Perfect. So if that becomes an isosceles triangle, anything to do with that?
Ma'am, done.
Who is done? Please name yourself.
Some.
Samarth done. Okay. Gautam also done, I think so.
No, I'm doing it.
Doing it? Try. Try it out.
Ma'am, it's showing that the host started screen sharing.
Aniket, some issues better with you.
Ma'am, which question are we solving now?
We are solving example number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it.
I'll open my textbook.
Yeah, please, that's better. After this chapter, we'll do constructions to see that you keep your pencil and compass and everything ready, okay? Have you done? Not feeling well?
Oh, ma'am, I have a fever.
Done? Pranav, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we ask Pranav to explain it to us? He'll speak and I'll write. Others, you want some more time? One more thing that I can see in the diagram. Now, first you have to accumulate the facts that are there in the diagram. This whole thing is actually 90 degrees, right? Because OP is the radius and radius is perpendicular to the tangent. The whole thing is that. Okay. So can somebody tell me what is the value of Y then? Angle Y is how much?
Ma'am, angle
90
TPQ plus
minus
90.
90 minus
TPQ plus
QPT. 90 minus QPT.
Fine.
TPQ.
Sure. Now,
Yeah.
now,
Yes.
if I look into the triangle, TPQ, if I look into the triangle TPQ, what are those base angles? What is angle TQP? As it is, you can say that they are isosceles triangles, right? So TQP
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to angle
TPQ.
TPQ, and they are nothing but equal to how much? 180 minus
80 minus.
X whole divided by 2. Each of them, right? So that's how much? 90 minus X by 2. Okay with that? Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can I do something? This value, can I place it here?
Substitute it.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now what happens to this expression is I get y is equal to 90 minus x by 2. Jaypreet, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So this is how much, children? This becomes y is equal to 90 minus 90 plus x by 2. Fine with that simplification? So this 90 cancels off. So I am left with y is equal to x by 2 or x is equal to 2y. Fine. This is what you
Yes, ma'am.
prove.
I did it in a different way.
Is it very complicated?
No, I just extended the line TP.
It is. You extended TP.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, TP.
Then
after that, I wrote, I made it like a equation. So 90 is equal to TP cube
Acha.
plus y. So like that, I did.
Perfect. Not an issue. Perfectly done. Perfectly done. Samarth, you did the sum in this manner?
No, ma'am. I
What?
did the same.
Okay. Pranav, what about you?
Ma'am, I did like this only.
You did like this. Anybody, Gauri, and anybody has any issues? Speak up. Jeeval, Gauri, Siddharth.
No, ma'am.
Was it clear, Jeeval? Jeeval, why are you showing me the fan, Jeeval? I want to see you.
I'm using my phone, so I can't
I
keep
know,
it in a
beta.
certain
Keep
position
something,
while
keep
I'm
a
writing.
bottle there.
Okay,
Keep a bottle filled with water behind and make it stand.
yes, ma'am. Now is it okay?
Oh, wait, Jeeval is lost from here. I'll see. Chalo. Agnes done. Shall I proceed to the next one? Timekeeper, please let me know the time. Chalo. Now,
It's time, ma'am.
What?
1 more minute.
Arre Baba. Do example number 3. Because if we don't do all this, we can't go ahead with the exercise. Start with example 3. Don't do it from your textbooks, please. This is a long sum actually. Wait a minute, children, leave some space. Leave some space. We will come back to example 3 tomorrow because it's a long sum. Okay. For now, we will start with exercise 10.2. Leave some space and write exercise 10.2. I hope everybody...
Ma'am, it's time.
Yeah, wait. So there's 1 minute. I'll give some homework. Take homework. Question number, exercise 10.2. Question number 2 goes for home. They're all multiple choice questions. Question number 2 goes home. Question number 3 goes home. Question number 5 goes home. Question number 8 goes home. That's it.
Just
Till 8. Okay.